নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম পূজা বৰুৱা। মই গুৱাহাটী অসমৰ ছোৱালী আৰু এই লাইভটো মই হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছত কৰিম, যিহেতু আমাক চাই থকা সকলো মানুহে অসমীয়া বুজি নাপায়। অসমৰ ৰাইজ ডাইলগজন নধৰে। नमस्कार पूजा, आज मैं जमशेदपुर से लाइव कर रही हूँ और रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू क्विकली ज्वाइन द लाइव। प्लीज लाइव ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। मैं अपना नंबर पिन कर देती हूँ, जो कि है 75959599055। चलिए, नंबर पिन हो गया। Quickly requesting all of you to join so that we can start the live. आज ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगी आप सबका। सैटरडे नाइट आप लोग को एंजॉय करने दूंगी। सो क्विकली प्लीज ज्वाइन द लाइव एंड वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर। मैं लाइव शेयर कर देती हूँ, लाइव लिंक शेयर कर देती हूँ so that सब लोग हमें ज्वाइन कर पाए। इन द मीन टाइम जो कोई भी हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, प्लीज हाय, हेलो, नमस्कार कुछ लिख दीजिए सो दैट वी नो और आप सबको ग्रीट कर सके। एंड पहले ही बता रही हूँ, आज पार्ट सिल्क का, मलबरी सिल्क, प्रीडोमिनेंटली मलबरी सिल्क का ही लाइव करेंगे। सो इट बी अ वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट लाइव। हेलो गिव मी वन क्विक मोमेंट, मैं बस लाइव लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ। थैंक यू अश्विन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन ज्वाइन द लाइव। जो कोई भी हमें देख पा रहे हैं, प्लीज से हाय, हेलो सो दैट वी ऑल्सो नो। बहुत टाइम क्या होता है, मैं कमेंट स्किप कर जाती हूँ, मैं देख नहीं पाती, ऊपर चला जाता है। सो सॉरी फॉर दैट। मैंने लाइव लिंक शेयर कर दिया है ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप में। 4 people are watching, but I cannot see the names. I can only see 4 people are watching. Hello Ishita Di, thank you so much for joining. Thank you Ishita Di, thank you for joining. I can see Ishita Di joining. I don't know who else has joined. Thank you मम्मी। मम्मी को फोन करके बोलो, मम्मी पूजा भाई जंक्शन पेज में लॉक है, मम्मी को बोलो कमेंट नहीं करेगी। Hello ma'am, Amrita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. तो क्विकली आई एम जस्ट आज 10,700 के रेंज में, फ्रॉम 10,700 we have sarees till 20,500 rupees. So very short live. Quickly I will just show the sarees to you. Part by part sarees है, with zari, without zari. पार्ट बाय कैसा पार्ट साड़ीज हैं, पार्ट बाय पार्ट वोवन बॉर्डर्स हैं, बहुत सुंदर कलर्स में। एंड एक एक्सक्लूसिव हैवी वोवन विदाउट जरी काजीरंगा है। बहुत सुंदर साड़ीज हैं, पार्ट बाय पार्ट विद जरी साड़ीज सच में बहुत सुंदर है। सो क्विकली रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइन द लाइव सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर 10,700 रेंज। सो कैन आई स्टार्ट? चलिए मैं स्टार्ट कर देती हूं. दिस इज एवरीबडीज फेवरेट नंबर 1. दिस इज अ जीरो जरी पार्ट बाय पार्ट, यानी कि मलबरी बाय मलबरी सिल्क, ओपेक फॉर्म, स्पन फॉर्म ऑफ मलबरी बाय मलबरी सिल्क इन बोथ वॉर्प एंड वेफ्ट, ताना एंड बाना दोनों में. जो कोई भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, हमारा पिन कमेंट है जिसमें हमारा नंबर 7595595055 है. सो रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू जस्ट क्विकली पुट अ लाइक और अ लव ऑन दैट सो दैट आई नो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ज्वाइंड. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, कमेंट स्किप हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट साड़ी, अ लवली blue on blue. This is the first sari, a beautiful blue on blue. This is the sari. Number 1. Sari number 2. You come here. Sari number 2, a beautiful plum color with black thread work. ये सारे thread work sarees है, 10,700 each. Sari number 2. Sari number 3 is a beautiful peacock blue with white thread work with white. Number 3. Sari number 4, a beautiful bright golden yellow with pista green color का thread work. Golden yellow with pista green color का thread work. Sari number 4. साड़ी नंबर 5, अ ब्यूटिफुल पर्पल. दिस इज नॉट रॉयल ब्लू, ये रॉयल ब्लू नहीं है, ये पर्पल है. पर्पल पे व्हाइट थ्रेड वर्क है. दिस इज साड़ी नंबर 5. साड़ी नंबर 6, तसर कलर पे ब्लैक थ्रेड वर्क, एकदम ट्रेडिशनल मोटिव्स के साथ किया गया है. साड़ी नंबर 6 इज दिस. साड़ी नंबर 6. साड़ी नंबर 7, रॉयल ब्लू विथ पिंक, रॉयल ब्लू विथ पिंक थ्रेड वर्क. साड़ी नंबर 7. Sari number 8 is a beautiful uncommon shade. It's a dark lavender mauve color with black thread work. Again, traditional Mukutmuni buttas and gauze buttas in this one. Tree motifs and crown motifs in this one. Sari number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is sari number 8. Sari number 9, a lovely custard cream color, vanilla custard color with red. Sari number 9. Sari number 10, my favorite combination, black and white, monochrome sari. Sari number 10. Sari number 11, a bright pink, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, फ्लैमिंगो पिंक नहीं, प्लीज टेल मी ये क्या कलर है. बेबी पिंक से ब्राइट है विथ व्हाइट थ्रेड वर्क, अ वेरी ग्रेसफुल कॉम्बिनेशन. साड़ी नंबर 11. साड़ी नंबर 12, अगेन इन वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट कॉम्बिनेशन, स्टील ग्रे एंड ब्लैक. स्टील ग्रे पे ब्लैक थ्रेड वर्क है. साड़ी नंबर 12. साड़ी नंबर 13, अगेन वो पर्पल विथ व्हाइट थ्रेड वर्क दिखाया था, ये पर्पल विथ गोल्डन थ्रेड वर्क. दिस इज नॉट जरी. इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी, इट लुक्स लाइक जरी बट दिस इज नॉट जरी. साड़ी नंबर 13. साड़ी नंबर 13, पर्पल विथ गोल्डन थ्रेड वर्क. साड़ी नंबर 14, दिस इज एन ऑफ व्हाइट, अ लवली कलर एक्चुअली, आइवरी व्हाइट विथ गोल्डन थ्रेड वर्क. गोल्डन कलर का थ्रेड वर्क देखिए. दिस इज द मोस्ट ट्रेडिशनल कॉम्बिनेशन एटलीस्ट फॉर अस Assamese, because we usually wear in all our weddings. माँ, दूल्हे की माँ, दुल्हन की माँ एंड दुल्हन भी मेन सेट बोलते हैं, ये कॉम्बिनेशन पहनती है इन जरी. So this is not zari, this is a budget alternative to the traditional main set for the brides. This is sari number 14. Cream and ivory with golden color thread work. Sari number 14. Sari number 15 is this dark midnight blue with this lovely lotus pink. Hello, Amruta. Sari number 15 is this midnight blue with pink. Sari number 15. Sari number 16. Tasar color with maroon. Yet another very, very traditional combination. असम सिल्क का, मुगा सिल्क का ये कॉम्बिनेशन है, तसर सिल्क में बनता है कॉम्बिनेशन. In our last live, we had shown this type in Tasar silk as well. This is sari number 16. Sari number 16, Tasar color, but in Mulberry by Mulberry silk, part by part silk. Sari number 16, and this very, very lovely hot pink with black thread work, sari number 17. Mummy loves the Shirui Lily sari. He said thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Chitra aunty. 4, 10, 11, 14, please. Okay, okay, Ishita. That was sari number 17, hot pink with black. This is sari number 4, a golden yellow with pista green color ka thread work. Golden yellow with pista green color ka thread work. Very, very nice one. This is really, really very nice one. This is how the sari looks. It might look lemon yellow to you, but no, this is golden yellow. This is the real color combination. This is the real color combination. It's a very beautiful, uncommon, unique color combination. This is the sari. पूरे body में, एक second, पूरे body में आपका छोटे छोटे flower motifs हैं in pista green. This is the flower motif in the entire body. Okay, and this is 3 lines of the motifs on top of the aanchal. It's a golden yellow. Please, I repeat, this is a golden yellow, not a lemon yellow or an off-white. This is a bright golden yellow, and इसका काम इस color का है. Sky blue pista green color का काम है. This will come with a silk mark, fully stitched with fall, picot, border, tassels, सब कुछ हम करके देंगे. आपको सिर्फ अपना ब्लाउज बनवा के पहनना है. This is the color combination. It's a very, very lovely combination. And the borders are like this with the gauze buta and the mukutmoni buta. This is the mukutmoni buta. मुकुट मतलब crown. ये crown जैसा है जो पहनते हैं वैसा है. And this is the traditional gauze buta, tree buta. It's a very, very beautiful combination. Yes, Di. And this is your pallu. Pallu also is very, very beautiful. Blouse piece इसका plain में जाएगा with 1 line of the border. This is your blouse piece. Okay, so this is a very beautiful sari. This was number 4 of the 17 saris that I have shown. And this is for 10,700. If you like this, just don't waste time. Quickly take a screenshot. Send it to us on 7595959055. This is sari number 10. And how are you all? Thank you for the love and likes. Thank you. Thank you. This is sari number 10, black and white, the classic, the ever graceful black and white. ये रहा इसका पल्लू. This is the motif on top of the pallu, 1 line. This is your pallu. It's a very, very special pallu with the peacocks and the one-horned rhinos of Kaziranga National Park. ये Kaziranga pallu है. देख लीजिए कितना सुंदर है ये. Thank you for the love and likes. Thank you. This is your Kaziranga pallu. Very, very beautiful. In white thread on a black base. Mulberry by Mulberry silk. This is your border. These are your borders जो आपको हम सिलवा के देंगे. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. I will say hi to both. This is the blouse piece plain with 1 line of the border. The body has this lovely white flowers all over. So this is a very, very, very nice combination. This is my favorite combination, at least black and white. And this is your look. This is the look of the sari. This is how the sari will look when you drape it. 10,700. Quickly send us a screenshot. Our number to do that is 7595959055. Sari number 11 is this beautiful pink. 11 and 14. Okay, so this is a very beautiful, which color is this? This is that candy, बुड्ढे के बाल बोलते हैं ना, what is that called? That one only, that pink it is. That pink and this white work on top of the pink base. Very, very beautiful sari this is. This is very, very graceful, very, what do you call it, elegant. This is a very, very nice paisley motif wala aanchal. And this lota, yani ki climber design, lota buta, candy floss, yes. And this, I think this pink is that only. Cotton candy, correct. And this is the motif in the entire body. This motif has been done. I'll show you the borders and the blouse piece as well. Cotton candy. Yeah, I was searching for the word. These are your borders जो आपको हम लगा कर देंगे. We will put the borders and give to you. There goes your blouse piece. One line of the border on a plain blouse piece. So only the blouse piece you will have to stitch. आपको सिर्फ अपना blouse piece बनवा लेना है. बाकी फॉल पिको टेसल्स बॉर्डर सब कुछ हम लोग करके देंगे बाय डिफॉल्ट. अगर आपको बॉर्डर्स सिलवाने नहीं है, यू डिसाइड टू वेयर दिस साड़ी विदाउट द बॉर्डर, देन यू कैन जस्ट मैसेज अस. एक बार बॉर्डर सिलने के बाद हम लोग ओपन करेंगे तो उसमें स्टिचिंग मार्क्स रह जाएंगे. इन इट लुक वेरी बैड, सो वी विल नॉट डू दैट. इफ द बॉर्डर इज स्टिच वी विल हैव टू डिस्पैच इट लाइक दैट ओनली टू यू. तो आप लोग डिसाइड कीजिए. हाय अमृता मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. আমার লাইভ চলছে তো তারপর আমি কথা বলবো আপনার সাথে পাক্কা. I'll talk to you after the live. I got your message. I just read it because I was on live. I'll respond to it after the live is over. Pakka. Okay. So this is the very, very beautiful pink sari with white thread work. That was number 10. And that was number 11. And this is number 14. This is also one of my favorite combinations, without a doubt. This is a very nice Amul salted butter wala color and cream color with golden thread work. This looks like zari. Just see, this looks like zari. If I tell somebody that this is zari, the person will most likely believe it. This is but thread work. This is thread work, beautiful thread work. This is the border already patched, already stitched. Hello, Nilima. How are you? Nilima is watching from Agartala. Hello. So this is the very, very nice motif, the Hinkap motif without the animal figurines. And these are the very beautiful golden thread flowers done with golden thread. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. The pallu actually, like Ishita Di, yes Ishita Di, the pallu is exquisite. Really very nice work in the pallu. And these are so distinctly woven motifs. They actually look like zari. This is your blouse piece. Plain with one line of the border woven. This is your blouse piece. Very, very beautiful. Yeah. It's going to be very active today. Why? Okay. So this is the sari 10,700. Up You tell me. I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sarees left. I'll show you the colors one by one. This is number 1. New numbering. This is number 1. Number 2. A very beautiful plum color, jamun plum color with black thread work. Number 2. This is number 3, peacock blue with white. I love you too, Nilima and Rohit. So Rohit and Nilima are my brother and sister. They are in Agartala currently. This is number 4, purple with white thread. Number 5. This is very nice, yellow and red. Yellow and red combination. Number 5. No, Amrita ma'am, today no Aries, but we will post Aries silk sarees soon. We are just making, we are all sold out on the previous lot, so we are making them soon. Number 5. Number 6, purple with golden color thread work. Number 6. Number 7, Tasar color with black, very traditional motifs. This is a lovely saree. Number 8, steel grey with black thread work. Number 8. Number 9, Tasar color with maroon. I love this combination. Number 9. Number 10, midnight blue with pink color thread work. Number 10. That was midnight blue. This is royal blue with pink color for somebody who really loves this bright combination. Number 11. This is number 11. This is number 12. This is one of my favorite sarees. A lovely lavender color with black. Please show number 7. Okay, and the last one, number 13. Hot pink with black. So this is you can see what a lovely saree this is. I'll show it to you. This is a dark Tasar color, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. This is a beautiful dark Tasar color. The color is exactly seen on the screen, at least on my phone screen. It is seen a dark Tasar color and black only. Okay, I will show. 3, 4, 7, 9, 12. Okay, I will show. This is the pallu. It's a double style anchal. As you can see, there is a break in the weaving pattern. Then it has gauze buttas in between, done with extra weft technique. Then again, this is a jacket card weaving, and there are these 4 lines of the gauze butta. Gauze butta in a little bigger size with the lokoparu, with the couple of doves sitting underneath the tree motif, which is the gauze motif. This is in black, jet black, gamkharu pattern of weaving. Gamkharu is the traditional bangle of us Assamese, and this is the motif. It's a beautiful pallu, beautiful, beautiful pallu. Then there are these flower motifs all over the body. This is the flower motif all over the body. I'm showing you this is about a 2.5 inches का border in the gamkharu pattern. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये साड़ी border बनने के बाद. It will look all the more beautiful. This is the blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. Okay. So this is your blouse piece. This is how the sari is going to look when you drape it. It's a beautiful, beautiful sari to have, and this is for 10,700 rupees only. 10,700 rupees only, free shipping all over Bharat. Now I am showing 3 and 4. दिस इज नंबर 3, अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कलर. आई डोंट नो इसका एक्चुअल, इट्स सच अ रिच, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर. इसका एक्चुअल कलर क्यों नहीं आता कैमरे पे? हम लोग फोटो भी खींचते हैं तो अलग अलग कलर आता है, लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी 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 ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल कलर. पीकॉक ब्लू, एकदम रिच पीकॉक ब्लू विथ व्हाइट थ्रेड वर्क. दीज आर द बॉर्डर्स, बहुत सुंदर बॉर्डर्स. This is your blouse piece, plain with one line of the border, and this is how your sari looks with this motif. बहुत 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 सुंदर मोटिफ है. 2 lines of the crown और the मुकुटमणि मोटिफ. ये देखिए, ये एक लूज थ्रेड है मोटिफ से निकलते हुए. ये अगर मैं पूरा निकाल दूंगी ना, ये पूरा मोटिव ऐसे बिखर जाएगा. सो दिस इज साइन दैट इट इज अ हैंड वोवन प्रोडक्ट. सो डू नॉट मिस्टेक दिस फॉर अ डिफेक्ट. दिस इज साइन दैट इट इज अ हैंड वोवन प्रोडक्ट. अच्छा ही हुआ जो ये मुझे दिख गया अभी, सो दैट आई कुड एक्सप्लेन दिस टू द अनइनिशिएटेड. ओके, सो दिस इज योर पल्लू. द पल्लू ऑल्सो इज एक्सट्रीमली एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज द पल्लू विद द हिंगखाप मोटिव. बट हिंगखाप के अंदर हिंगवा मतलब लायन नहीं है, पीकॉक नहीं है, कुछ भी एनिमल फिगरीन्स नहीं है, लेकिन फूल पत्ते हैं. फ्लोरा एंड फोना, फ्लोरा है सिर्फ. एंड 2 लाइन ऑफ दिस मुकुटमणि बूटास. मुकुटमणि मतलब क्राउन बूटास. एंड पूरे बॉडी में ऐसे फ्लावर बूटास है. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर. ये कैमरा जस्ट डज नॉट डू जस्टिस टू दिस कलर. इट्स अ वेरी रिच पीकॉक ब्लू. Extremely beautiful sari to have. And this is, my mother has a mekhla sador, I think, in this color. So this is the very very beautiful sari. And yes, it's a very very gorgeous blue. Thank you Ishita di. All right, and this is for 10,700. ये रहा look of the sari when you drape it. Very very beautiful. 4, नंबर 4. उसमें और इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है कलर को छोड़कर. दिस ऑल्सो हैज दीज बॉर्डर्स. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस, प्लेन with 1 line of the border. That's your blouse piece. And this is how the sari looks on draping. This is the this is the sari. Look at the gorgeous color. और आज तो मैंने व्हाइट पहना है और पता नहीं आप लोग भी मेरे को व्हाइट कॉम्बिनेशन वाले साड़ीज दिखाने को बोल रहे हैं. आई एम सो हैप्पी. दिस एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी नाइस. Okay, so this is the very 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 beautiful sari. Mukutmani buttas, again 2 lines. ये same butta in the body, same pallu ka work, and this is the actual color. A very rich purple with white thread work. Thank you for the love and likes. Okay, so if you have any bookings, please message us. We're taking on live bookings. Don't wait, because I'm going to pick up the first come first serve, pick it up on a first come first serve basis. So जो भी पहले स्क्रीनशॉट भेजेगा एंड मैं उनको कंफर्म कर दूंगी. पहले ही बता के रख रही हूँ so that all of you know and don't get offended for this reason. So this is the look of the sari. Very very beautiful, and just take a screenshot. Don't wait for the live to get over, as I said earlier. Okay. This is 7, 8, 9, 3, 4 I showed, 7, 9, 7 we showed, 9 and 12. Okay, this is number 9. बहुत पसंद है मेरे को ये कॉम्बिनेशन. वेरी नाइस ट्रेडिशनल कॉम्बिनेशन. दीज आर द बॉर्डर्स गमखरू पैटर्न में, लाइक द ब्लैक तसर एंड ब्लैक दैट आई शोड. इट्स द सेम डिजाइन बट इन अ डिफरेंट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. So this is the border. This is the border work. 4 lines of the gauze butta with the lokoparo. Again break in pattern. देख लीजिए. पूरा हैंड वोवन एक्स्ट्रा वेव टेक्निक से बना हुआ, इंडिविजुअल फ्री हैंड वीविंग. एंड देन दिस इज द जैकेट कार्ड वीविंग. दिस इज हाउ द पल्लू इज. ओके, एंड द बॉडी हैज मरून कलर थ्रेड के फ्लावर मोटिव्स ऑल ओवर. ओके, this is how the sari is going to look when you drape it. Very, very, very beautiful. Borders and blouse piece I will show you. This is your blouse piece. One line of the border woven on this beautiful plain dark tasar color fabric. These are the borders. हम लोग आपको स्टिच करके देंगे फॉल पिको टैसल बॉर्डर. आपको सिर्फ ये ब्लाउज पीस बनवा लेना है और पहन लेना है. एंड दिस इज द साड़ी. 10,700 rupees. This is number 12. Number 12 is this beautiful, beautiful color. This is a very, very nice sari to have. Lovely color this is. Just give me one quick moment. Just give me one quick moment. Okay, sorry. So this is one of the most unique and beautiful combinations that you can have. ये कलर बहुत कम बनता है. ये ब्लैक वॉर्प का कलर है. ताना इसका ब्लैक मलबरी सिल्क में है. एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मॉव कलर इज द वेफ्ट. This is a very gorgeous color, very, very nice, very, very unique, very elegant, and with the black thread work, it looks all the more gorgeous. ये मुकुटमणि बूटा है और ये गॉस बूटा है without the locoparo, without the couple of doves sitting underneath the tree. This is the tree motif. This is the paisley यानी कि kolka यानी कि अम्बी motif. This is the मुकुटमणि यानी कि crown motif. This is the pallu. पल्लू के नीचे छोटे छोटे मुकुटमणि बूटास का काम है. देख लीजिए. इन द बॉटम मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पल्लू 3 lines of these lovely motifs. This is the black flower motifs. These are the black flower motifs all over the body. This गॉस बूटा एंड मुकुटमणि बूटा वाला आपका बॉर्डर है. बॉर्डर्स हम सिल के देंगे. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. साड़ी के साथ सिर्फ अपना ब्लाउज पीस जो कि है ये आपको सिलवा लेना है. बाकी सब कुछ आपको हम करके देंगे. दिस इज द साड़ी. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. डोंट वेट टिल द लाइव इज ओवर. आई एम सेइंग अगेन एंड अगेन बिकॉज लास्ट लाइव में कुछ साड़ीज के इंक्वायरीज आए लेकिन हम दे नहीं पाए बिकॉज of the delay of sending us the screenshot. So we gave it off on a first come first serve basis. So this is the sari. 10,700 rupees. 7595959055 पर आपको मैसेज कर देना है. So बाकी के साड़ीज अभी के लिए मैं रख रही हूँ. In case you want photos, please let me know. Only for these. Usually और एक बात बता देती हूँ. We usually don't have any help at home. Also, mummy and I do everything alone. Mummy does everything alone. Mummy and dad, they do everything alone. Here also, my husband and I have to do everything. So we do not have any employee as such in the core back-end job group. Of course, our set of family members, यानी कि the weavers, जिनके लिए हमारा घर चल रहा है वो है. लेकिन घर पे ऐसे कोई हेल्प नहीं है कि ऐसा कर सके. So we usually don't give out photos. But on request, we definitely will give. But only for about 2 or 3 sarees. That's convenient for us. Specifically, आपको screenshot लेके मेरे को देना है कि इसका complete picture दो. उसके लिए प्लीज बुरा मत मानिए. मैं फ्रैंकली आप सबको बता सकती हूँ क्योंकि आप सब लोग मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं. तो इसी के लिए आप लोग को बता रही हूँ. These sarees I am not showing right now. In case you want photos, do let me know. ये मैं दिखा नहीं रही हूं अभी. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ जरी वाले मलबरी सिल्क साड़ीज, मलबरी बाय मलबरी सिल्क साड़ीज हैं हमारे पास, और हमारे पास 4 ब्यूटीफुल कैसा पार्ट के ऑप्शंस हैं. पार्ट बाय कैसा पार्ट, यानी कि ओपेक स्पन फॉर्म ऑफ मलबरी सिल्क इन द वॉट एंड रॉ फाइबर फॉर्म ऑफ मलबरी सिल्क इन द वेफ्ट. बोथ आर प्योर मलबरी सिल्क. ब्लू पिंक, शाश्विनी मैम कौन सा ब्लू पिंक? एक रॉयल ब्लू पिंक है, एक मिडनाइट ब्लू पिंक है. कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं, बोलिए. ये दोनों में से 1 या 2, कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं बताइए. हाय मासी, कैसे हो आप? दिस इज नंबर 2, दिस इज नंबर 1. Please let me know which one to show to you. Hello Masi, how are you? I can't read. Has she messaged me?
Midnight blue pink.
Midnight blue. Okay, okay, okay. Number 1. Okay, okay. I'll show both anyway. Okay, so this is a very, very nice dark midnight blue with these tiny little gauze buttas all over the body, motifs of tiny, tiny pink motifs. It looks black, but it is dark midnight blue. This is 2 lines of a bigger sized Mukutmani Butta crown motif. And this is how the pallu looks. All done in pink thread. Okay. Then, these are your borders. These are your borders. This is the actual color. मेरे screen में तो आ रहा है. I don't know. Please let me know. This is the blouse piece. 1 line of this. अच्छे से दिखा देते हैं. This is your blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sari, and this is how the sari looks. 10,700 rupees. Okay. Midnight blue with pink. Purple with gold. This is the purple. I had shown earlier the purple with white, and this is the purple with gold. Gauze butta and Mukutmani Butta ka thread work hai. Then at the bottom of the aanchal, Mukutmani Buttas in a smaller size, 4 lines mein hai, one on top of the other. This is the gauze butta, this is the kolka motif, and पूरा ऐसे स्ट्राइप का वीविंग भी किया गया है. दिस एंटायर थिंग हैज बीन वर्क्ड. सो क्वाइट एन इंट्रिकेट आंचल पल्लू एंड 4 lines of this beautiful motif on top of the pallu. Then these flower motifs have been continued in the entire body. So this is the actual color of the sari. This is how it looks on draping. This is how the look will be on draping. इसके जो borders हैं ये हैं ऐसे मुकुटमणि बूटास के साथ, बहुत सुंदर बर्फी motifs. This is बर्फी motif in between. Thank you for the love and likes. Thank you so much. And this is your blouse piece with 1 line off the border. This is your blouse piece. It's a very beautiful. इसको शायद true purple बोलते हैं. That's what I read in Google sometime 2 years back, I think. 10,700 for this sari. Any more sarees, or we will proceed to the next segment of Zari silks, Mulberry silk by Mulberry silk with Zari. Part by part with Zari. Then we'll move to part by kaisa part with Zari. Then I have an irresistible beauty in black. Then we have woven borders exclusives, and last May the showstopper would be a lovely Kaziranga sari, which is with weaving all over. So बताइए, अगर we should move to the next segment, that is the part by part with zari. One more request of this blue and blue. This is a beautiful blue on blue. It's a royal blue with motifs in surf blue. This is how the pallu looks. This is how the lovely pallu is. Okay, this is a blue on blue. This is surf blue color on a royal blue base. This has got these two lines of these bunch of flowers. And then the Assamese flower motif design all over in surf blue. It's a very rich combination. A lot of you have this combination with you. This is your blouse piece. That's the blouse piece, plain with one line of the border. These are the borders जो आपको हम सिल के देंगे. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. I missed somebody's comment. I don't know whose comment there is. It got deleted, I think. Okay? Yes. This is the very, very, very lovely sari. Royal blue with surf blue. This is also for 10,700 rupees. 10,700 rupees. Give me one quick moment. Okay. Meena ma'am, how are you? I'm good. Thank you so much for joining our live. So, give me one quick moment. I will quickly pull out the next set of sarees for you. Okay. Now, this is number one. These are with zari. This is number one, a beautiful magenta with gold zari work, golden zari work. Number two is this gorgeous color between mocha brown and maroon. Very, very nice color with copper zari. This is with copper zari. This is a mix of brown and wine maroon shade. Number two. Number three is this क्या color बोलते हैं? Coral color, I think. Dark peach with maroon and golden zari work. Maroon thread and golden zari work. Number three. Number four is this beautiful tasar color, beige color with mayur buttas in gold and brown color, coffee bean brown color. This is number four. This is number five, is kind of a dual tone. It's sort of a ruby. It's between red and pink. I cannot explain the color. When I open the sari, you will get to know. It's a very beautiful color with golden zari. Only with golden zari work. That is number five. Number six is a beautiful color. Can you see? It's a coffee mati color. I don't know, henna plus coffee mixed color with copper zari. Very, very beautiful color, number 6. I have only these 6 pieces, एक से बढ़कर एक colors में. Yes, ma'am, Amrita ma'am, correct. Very beautiful colors. You just have to tell me which ones to show, otherwise I will show all of them anyway. So, no preferences, all of them are एक से बढ़कर एक colors, so I will show them anyway. So I am starting to show the colors to you. Number 1 is this red warp में hot pink. So this is a dual tone का color. This is a very very gorgeous color. It's a dual tone magenta on red. Just give me one quick moment. Yes, I will show 2 and 4 also. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dual tone. I don't know if you can see the effect, but it's a lovely magenta on red dual tone. This is the dual tone. There's a red undertone in this magenta and it's beautiful, beautiful. Reddish pink color this is. This is the pallu. Can you see the undertone now? I can see it on my phone screen. This is the pallu. This is your pallu in golden zari. 3 lines of this beautiful Mukutmuni buttas. And look at the motifs. This is Ekkali do Patya wala motif. And this is another motif. This is a different motif and this is a different motif. One is tilted, one is straight. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's a very, very gorgeous saree to have. This was number 1. These are the borders जो आपको हम लगा कर देंगे. And this is your blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. This is your blouse piece with these 6 lines weaving in golden zari. This is your blouse piece. It's a very, very, very beautiful sari. Sorry. This is a very, very beautiful sari. This is how it looks on draping. And this is for कितना प्राइस है? This is for 14,400 rupees. 14400 only. Next is number 2 is this gorgeous maroon brown mixed color. Thank you, Amruta. Where did you vanish? You keep vanishing every now and then. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 1, 2, 3 lines and this border work. These are the borders. They are all in copper zari. Muted copper zari. And this is how it looks. These are the borders जो आपको हम stitch करके देंगे. This is your sari. This is the sari जिसमें ये बूटा है. Very very nice bootas again. It's called the vintage antique zari बोलते हैं इसको. It's very muted. It's not that flimsy looking shiny zari. This is the traditional hinkap motif with the hingho यानी कि lion and the mayur motifs, peacock motifs. This is the hinkap design. On top of the aanchal, 1 line of this. Again, this is a double style aanchal. This is the shankha motif. This is the gauze buta. This is the kolka motif. This is the Mukutmuni motif. It's a very, very nice traditional Assamese pallu. There's a break-in pattern. There's a line in between and a line of hinkap butas, big hinkap butas. Again, followed by this pattern of weaving in the pallu. So this is how beautiful the pallu is. This is a very, very gorgeous sari. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Very, very, very beautiful sari. Quickly send us a screenshot on 7595959055 if you like this sari. This is a very, very gorgeous sari. 14,400 rupees. 14,400 rupees. Then this is the blouse piece. इस कपड़े का blouse piece ही दिखा रही हूँ. Again, as you can see, this is a dual tone. Red पे peach मारा गया है. So it is this reddish peach color. This is the border, maroon and golden zari के पान के पत्ते के borders. Okay, this is the exact color is as seen on my screen at least. I don't know आप लोग के स्क्रीन में भी आ रहा है क्या. दिस इज अगेन अ डुअल टोन. जब इतने दिनों के बाद दिखा रही हूँ साड़ीज तो ऑफ कोर्स विल गेट सम नाइस वंस फॉर यू. सो दिस इज द पल्लू. दिस इज द bunch of flowers on top of the pallu in maroon thread and golden zari, 2 lines. And this is the maroon and golden zari ke flowers like this. It's a very, very, very lovely color. Lovely, lovely color. This is your blouse piece as I had shown. Borders दिखाने का time है. These are your borders in golden zari and maroon threadwork Tora motifs. Color is absolutely gorgeous. This is I think called coral color. Please educate me. मेरे को कलर के नाम नहीं मालूम. मैं आपको वॉर्प वेफ्ट सब बता दूंगी, लेकिन कलर का क्या नाम है मुझे नहीं मालूम होता है. सो दिस इज द वेरी, वेरी, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल pallu and this is the body of the sari. This is how it looks on wearing, on draping. This is how it will look. I am showing you without the ring light deliberately, although I don't know if it might look all the more beautiful. But the saris are actually very beautiful and I want you all to see the real colors of the sari. Okay, so this is not pink. This is a beautiful dark peach color. Please give me a screenshot on 7595959055. Okay, now don't vanish, Amrita. Next sari is the peacock motif wali sari. Just give me one quick moment. मेरे को एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा थंब में लग गया, टो में, तो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग अ बैंडेड. इट वाज देयर फ्रॉम द डे इटसेल्फ, लेकिन आई फॉरगॉट. The toenail had come out, so I was just putting the band-aid. Okay. So the next sari, moving forward, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Panpatta motif, 4 lines with golden zari and brown color या wine color motifs. This is the border. Okay. This is your sari. Very, very, very beautiful. This is a what do you call it? What color is this? It's not a taupe color. It's a dark tasar color only. This is the color. Okay. Look at the gorgeous achal. This is the pallu. Double style pallu again. ये white warp में तसर कलर का वेफ्ट है. ओके. दिस इज ऑल टेस्टेड जरी ओनली मैम. लक्ष्मी मैम, दिस इज ऑल टेस्टेड जरी ओनली. कोल्ड कॉफी, नॉट कोल्ड कॉफी. दिस कोल्ड कॉफी कलर. नो, दिस इज नॉट कोल्ड कॉफी कलर. दिस इज द पल्लू. This is the pallu, very very nice.
This is like
Badam color.
badam milk.
बादाम मिल्क कलर. ओके. हंस रहे हो क्यों? सच बोलो, मेरे को कलर के नाम नहीं ना मालूम. दिस इज द पिकॉक मोटिव इन डार्क वाइन कलर, ब्राउन कलर, एंड दिस इज इन गोल्डन जरी. ये डबल स्टाइल पल्लू है, यहां से लेकर यहां तक पल्लू है. सो पिकॉक, वन लाइन, देन these motifs, then you have the break in weaving pattern. This is a different style of weaving with this shrub motifs, and then again we continue with the peacock and end it like this with the pan patta motifs. Till here is the pallu. Okay, and these are the brown and golden zari ke motifs in the body. This is how it looks. Very 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 beautiful. This saree is for 14,400 rupees only. We have more motifs of peacock, then the price directly shoots up to 16,700 onwards. It might go to 17,700 also. So this is the motif. I have shown the borders, and this is your blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Till here is the blouse piece. These are the borders. Everything I will stitch and give you. You only have to stitch your blouse piece. This saree for 14,400 is a steal deal. Look at the size of the pallu. And this is how it will look. And if you think this is a dull looking saree, no, the color is extremely rich. It's a beautiful non-shiny golden sort of, because of the warp in white. Okay. Next is a saree in a dual tone again. Dual tone saree again. Just give me one quick moment. Okay, now this is again, I'll show you the difference in color. This is this apple red sort of color, and this is a magenta pink. Can you see the difference in color? This is not a tomato red, but this also has a pinkish tinge. And this also is a dual tone. So, okay. So I am showing this now. It's again एप्पल रेड बोलते हैं शायद इसको. इसका भी एक पिंकिश टोन है. I'll tell you why. This is the red warp, tomato red color का warp. And this is this very nice fuchsia pink color. So it has, definitely has pink, a pink color twist to this red, but it is not as pink as that one, because that color is a, I'll tell you the difference. This pink is not overpowering the red. That pink is a richer color than the red warp. That is why that pink mein red undertone is there, prominent red undertone is there, but that is more pink. And this is apple red, but this is also with pink weft only. It's a different pink weft. This is a very nice red. It is not that usual tomato red or blood red. This is a very nice red pink mixed color. I don't know if I'm able to explain, but this also is an equally beautiful color. So like that one, this also has this ekkali do patya wala motifs. One is tilted, one line is this tilted motif, same motif mein. One line is tilted motif, one line is straight wala motif. Straight ekkali do patya wala motif. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. 4 lines of the Mukutmani Butta. And then in golden zari. Everything is in golden zari. And this is the zari work in the pallu. Golden zari work. फिर मुकुटमणि बूटास है और गॉस बूटा है. एक लाइन गॉस बूटा है, एक लाइन मुकुटमणि बूटा है at the bottom of the आंचल. Now these are the borders. One gauze butta, then gamkharu pattern of weaving, paneled weaving, then mukutmani butta, pan patte ka border hai upar. This is your blouse piece. Now can you see the pink? I'm not sure. I can see the pink in my on my screen. This is the blouse piece. Ring light on करने से ना दिखेगा नहीं. Proper color नहीं दिखता है. देखो रेड दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में. देखो नहीं इसलिए रिंग लाइट नहीं कर रहे. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी नाइस one. 14,400 for this. Quickly message us on 759-5959-055. Last of the lot, but definitely not the least. This is a gorgeous color. One of the most unique colors that I have made till date. From the time I have started taking over the weaver part. This color is looking cute. Yeah. Okay, so this is the color. This is between a rust copper color and probably brown. This is very very nice. This is your blouse piece with copper zari. This is the blouse piece, plain. This is again पूरा makers suggestion, makers recommendation अगर कुछ होगा तो this is definitely this sari. If you're looking for something unique, then you should go for this. Definitely this is a very very unique color. I have not made this color, not seen this color till date. This is not even nail polish color. I call one brown nail polish color. That's more of a copper color. But this is very unique, very very nice and very earthy looking as well. So from here the achal starts, pallu starts till here. This is the motif. वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्या बोलते हैं वो लाइट को, शैंडेलियर लाइट जैसा, घूमर क्या बोलते हैं, झूमर. So this is in antique zari, muted copper zari, as you can see. And this is the color, क्या बोलते हैं कॉलर को, कलश मोटिव, घॉट मोटिव बोलते हैं हम लोग. This is the motif in the pallu. Again there is a break in the weaving pattern. This is the motif in between using the extra weft technique. And again jacket card design, jacket design card weaving till the bottom of the pallu, in the rest of the pallu. So this is the pallu alone. It's so gorgeous, this color. And this is the motif in the entire body. It's a new motif we have made. Very tiny but very beautiful this motif is. In copper zari, this sari is actually extremely stunning. It's a very very nice sari. And the best part is this is for all ages. Anybody can wear it. This my mother also can wear, mother-in-law can also wear, I can also wear. And if I have a niece who grows up and I have this, I'll have this sari if I take it, because I really care for my saris. If I take it, I'll have this sari and she can also wear it. So we can exchange and wear. If I have a sister who's like in her 20s. And this is if I can wear it today also, I can wear it after 10 years also. It look very very graceful in all ages. Women of all ages can wear this. Sabko sajega ye. This is the border. These are the borders. Borders हम लगा कर देंगे आपको. We will put the borders. We will make the tassels. We will put the borders. We'll do the falls and picot for you. You only have to stitch your blouse piece, which is this. This is your blouse piece. Just give me a moment. This is the blouse piece. This is so pretty, I cannot tell you. This is a very, very, very pretty color. Quickly take a screenshot. Don't miss this. For sure, you should not miss this because this is a super duper gorgeous color. Hello Poonam Di, how are you? Thank you so much for joining our live. कैसी हो ठकुरा? इन इंडिया कब आ रहे हो वो बताओ पहले. When are you coming to India? Okay. So next set of sarees are the part by Kaisa Part. These are each for 16,500 sarees. 16,500 for these sarees. I have only 4 of them, but I love each of them and I'm sure you will love them too. Starting with this very beautiful pink. Price of the brown one is 14,400 rupees. 14400. Dorothy ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Kevin Achen, how are you? This is number 1. This is a very nice delicate pink color. Number 1. Number 2, this lovely tomato red. Number 3, Amrita has this. Number 3, na? Number 3 you have, right? Number 3, copper zari and silver zari on this beautiful, lovely peach color. And number 4 is this narangi orange and yellow mixed color. This is an orange and yellow, a beautiful color actually. Very, very beautiful color. Orange and yellow mix hai isme. Okay. This is number 4. Okay. So please tell me. Hello Nivedita ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Mummy wore. Okay. Send me pictures. Okay. After a long time I've made this color, no? Phone number is pinned. I don't know where it went. I pinned the phone number. Is it pinned now?
Yes.
Okay. So, which ones of the part by Kaisa Part to show? Please tell me which one of part by Kaisa Part to show. If anybody wants to see the part by Kaisa Part, please let me know.
1 and 3.
No, 1 and 3. Okay. Just give me one quick moment. So bringing number 1 to you. 1 is a lovely, lovely color. Why I can't see? Phone number is visible. Okay, Nivedita ma'am. Thank you. 1 and 3. Okay, Ishita Di. This is the sari, a very very nice delicate pink, absolutely apt for summers. And those of the people who have a misconception that kaisa part is fluffy, it will not stick to your body, it will become like a balloon wrapped around a drum, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जहां भी पॉलिएस्टर ये सब होगा तब ये सब होगा ही. It will be fluffy, it will not stick to your body. Part by Kesa Part is the best choice. It gives a nice look. It gives a nice look because of the Kesa Part, the wet thread, and because of the part being in the warp, it is flowy as well. It's a very very nice sari to have. Okay, so this is the pallu. I'll show you single layer karke. I am showing you single layer karke. This is the pallu. This is your pallu. Okay, with copper zari and silver zari, tora motifs यानी कि star motifs, and kolka motifs यानी कि ambi और paisley motifs. Then this double style aanchal is there. This is how the aanchal looks. It's a very nice pink. It's a very delicate, very nice, very dainty kind of pink. Very very beautiful pink. Transparent कितना है मैं दिखा देती हूँ. This is like opaque. This is not opaque. This is translucent or transparent because Kesa Part is a very transparent, raw, unboiled fiber form of mulberry silk. So Kesa Part sarees, until and unless they are in bright like reds or in dark colors, they are not translucent. Also, they are transparent most of the times. So this is my hand. So I am showing you the transparency as well. Okay. And this is the body ke motifs all over are in star buta, in copper zari and silver zari. This is star and paisley butas all over. Kolka motif and star motifs, tora motifs all over. And this is the look of the sari. Very very gorgeous sari. Blouse हमने for your comfort हम हमेशा ब्लाउज पार्ट बाय पार्ट में रखते हैं. So this is the part by part form of it. This is opaque, but since it is a silk blouse, please put lining, cotton lining underneath. This is the blouse piece. It's a very beautiful, very peaceful color. This is for 16,500 rupees. Number 2 is this. I am showing all of them to you because I have only 4 of them. This is the blouse piece which is in part by part. This is spun form of mulberry silk which is called part, and this is the blouse piece. It's a lovely tomato red color. पूरे बॉडी में इसमें गोल्डन जरी एंड सिल्वर जरी मीनाकरी वाला काम है. दिस इज योर बॉर्डर. दिस इज ऑलरेडी बीन स्टिच. दिस इज योर बॉर्डर. दिस इज योर पल्लू. इसमें टैसल्स करना बाकी है. दिस इज योर पल्लू. ओके. एंड पूरे बॉडी में क्या हो गया बोलो. दिस इज मुकुटमणि बूटा इन गोल्डन विथ सिल्वर जरी का एक छोटा सा फूल का मीनाकरी है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल लुक. अगेन मैंने बोला था ये ट्रांसलूसेंट दिख रहा है. देखिए इसमें आपको नहीं दिखेगा कुछ भी बिकॉज इट इज अ ब्राइट कलर. लाइट कलर में दिखता है. कोई बात नहीं. दिस is the sari. Very very gorgeous one. ब्लाउज पीस मैंने दिखा दिया. बॉर्डर ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं. ये रहा ब्लाउज पीस. ये रहा ब्लाउज पीस. 16,500 रुपीज. क्विकली 16,500 rupees. Quickly, just give me a screenshot. Next is number 3. This is a very nice dual tone because इसमें पीच मिल्क कलर का वेफ्ट है कैसा पार्ट में, लेकिन इसका जो वार्प है इट इज इन येलो. So it's a lovely color. It's an orangish yellow, and when you drape it, you can actually see the dual tone. Can you see this yellow undertone? Can you see the yellow undertone as I move the sari like this? It's a very, very beautiful sari. इसका जो blouse piece है, let me show you the blouse piece first. This is the blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. This is the border, copper zari and golden silver zari के साथ ये रहा blouse piece, and this is the very, very beautiful sari. ये रहा ट्रांसपेरेंसी मैं दिखा रही हूं आपको. पार्ट बाय कैसा पार्ट है, लव द ब्राउन, द पार्ट बाय पार्ट. सेंड मी अ मैसेज दी. टैसल्स ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं. दिस इज योर ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू इन कॉपर जरी. नो दी डे लाइट पिक्चर्स तो डे में जैसा दिखता है अभी भी वैसे ही दिखता है. ओके, आई विल सेंड इट टू यू. यू जस्ट सेंड मी अ मैसेज. अभी तो डे लाइट पिक्चर नहीं होगा, लेकिन कल सुबह भेज दूंगी, पक्का कल भेज दूंगी मैं. दिस इज द, हाँ, tomorrow I can send, no problem. You just please message me, Nodi. I'll forget otherwise. You know I'm Gajini, no? This is the border, which has already been stitched. This is the beautiful, beautiful aanchal, very intricately woven, as you can see. This is the Mukutmani Buta. In copper zari and silver zari. This is the look of the sari when you drape it. Extremely, extremely, extremely elegant. 16,500 rupees. It's got a dual tone of yellow. It has a dual tone of yellow. Now this is a very nice, क्या बोलते हैं, माल्टा बोलते हैं ना, माल्टा कलर. This is the color. It's a yellowish orange color, a very, very beautiful. जो माल्टा ऑरेंज होता है वो कलर का है ये. I'll show you the blouse piece. I have sold more than 8 pieces of this across in about 2 years time, I think. Every time I show this, it's definitely sold out. So this is your blouse piece, part by part blouse piece. This is the color, exact color. Yellowish orange है ये. This is your exact color. I don't know if, हाँ अभी आ रहा है ना, देखो तो स्क्रीन पे येलो दिख रहा है.
थोड़ा नीले है.
अच्छा, this is a very, very nice color. इसमें ऑरेंज में ही डार्क ऑरेंज एंड गोल्डन जरी का काम है. डार्क ऑरेंज एंड गोल्डन जरी का काम है. ये मैं आपको दिखा रही हूं. दिस इज हाउ द लुक इज. मैं ब्राउन वाला फोटो भेज दूंगी आपको. उसके बाद कोई मैसेज आया क्या, देखो तो कमेंट आया क्या, मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. दिस इज द बॉर्डर, द मुकुटमणि बूटास इन गोल्डन जरी विथ ऑरेंज कलर थ्रेड का मीनाकरी, और भी सुंदर लग रहा है. This is the very, very, very beautiful look of the sari. Blouse piece मैंने दिखा दिया है. To book this sari, all you have to do is message us on 7595995055, and this sari is yours. After we confirm the order with you and you complete the payment, you can book this sari with us. All right. So next is this lovely black beauty. This beautiful sari. I have only one single piece for black lovers. This is heaven. I'm telling you, this is a beautiful, gorgeous sari, part by part, mulberry by mulberry silk. This is the sari. If anybody wants to see, please let me know. Do let me know if anybody wants to see this black beauty. If anybody wants to see this, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll move to the next one. But this is a real beauty. And not because I love black, but सच में बहुत सुंदर है ये साड़ी. बहुत सच में बहुत सुंदर है. So I'll move to the next set of sarees. If this is not required to be shown, I cannot see any comments. But let me tell you, ये another maker's choice साड़ी है आपके लिए. Okay. So I am showing this black saree. I cannot resist. This is very beautiful. So this is, thank you Amruta, thank you. So this is your black on black mulberry by mulberry silk. This is not a part by kaisa part, this is a part by part silk sari. Very beautiful pallu it has got with red meenakari. This is the gamkharu pattern of weaving. This is a different style of weaving. You can see ये भी है. पहले initial look of it, you'll be thinking that this is a mistake, but it is definitely not. This is the same mistake, but it is not a mistake. This is the weaving that we have done. It is a very beautiful pallu, and pallu के ऊपर मीनाकरी वाला गॉज बूटा है. देखिए कितना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines of this lovely gauze buta tree motifs with red meenakari. This is definitely one of the most beautiful sarees I've shown today. Okay, it has all my heart. This is a lovely saree, beautiful saree. And when I show you the borders, these are the borders. The borders also contribute to the beauty of this saree. ये borders लगने के बाद और सुंदर लगने लग जाएगा. Very beautiful. This is not dark green. This is black on black. This is a jet black mulberry by mulberry silk, Assam silk by Assam silk. असम में तो दूसरे सिल्क्स भी हैं, लेकिन मलबरी सिल्क को ही यूजुअली असम सिल्क बोलते हैं. So this is the blouse piece, plain with this line, and this is the beautiful साड़ी के बूटास. Red, bright red flowers and golden flowers में. This is the saree. 17,200 rupees. 17,200 for this black beauty. This is definitely, undeniably, one of the most beautiful sarees of tonight's live session. Please book this on 7595959055. Extremely beautiful. Manjari di, ki khabar? Bhalo acho di? আমি জাস্ট ভাবছিলাম আজি তোমাকে মেসেজ করব বলে, কিন্তু আমি জানি না তুমি গুয়াহাটিতে আছো না কি. কাকিমার কেমন, ভালো আছে এখন? Thank you, thank you, thank you. The next set of these beautiful specially processed yarn से mulberry silk yarn से बना हुआ border. These are feather light sarees. Acha, very good to hear Manjari di. Very good to hear that she is doing fine. I am praying for her good health continuously. আর তুমিও ভালো থাকো সব সময়. This is a very nice, very exclusive sari. This is in red. This is a Boro design, Boro tribal design. Yes. No, in Jamshedpur. আমি জামশেদপুরে আছি. This is the Boro tribal design weave sari which has been made with specially processed feather light mulberry silk yarn. This is one color and this is color number 2, a lovely wine color. This is color number 2. So these two I have, very beautiful ones. Please let me know which one to show first. One is red, number 2 is wine color. Thank you দি. কালকে যদি ফ্রি আছো না, কোন সময় ফ্রি আছো আমি কল করব কালকে. So please let me know which one to show. Thank you so much Manjari di. So Manjari di is wine. I will show. Manjari di is an excellent healer. She prays for me always. She always helps me even if I'm in some problem or I'm feeling low or there is some problem that I wanted solutions spiritually too. Then Manjari di is always there to help me. Her name is Manjari Mukherjee. You can always contact her in case you want somebody to guide you through spiritually or with the help of prayers and meditation. She is the person who's been helping me through for the past 2-3 years now. So you can definitely contact her. This is the red beauty. It's not a tomato red, it's a blood red. It's a very lovely red. Na thank you bolar ki ache di. আমাকে কত হেল্প করছো, somebody else will also benefit. So I will obviously, it's not your marketing or anything. It is just that I genuinely feel you have helped so many people. You should continue doing the noble work. So this is the border, woven border with tasar silk and eri silk. ये तसर सिल्क है and एरी सिल्क का मीनाकरी का काम है. ये जो आप फूल देख रहे हैं व्हाइट थ्रेड में, ये व्हाइट थ्रेड नहीं है, अहिंसा सिल्क एरी सिल्क थ्रेड है. दिस इज इन तसर सिल्क. दिस एंटायर वर्क हैज बीन डन इन तसर सिल्क. इट्स अ वोवन बॉर्डर, नॉट अ स्टिच्ड बॉर्डर. देख लीजिए. एंड दिस इज द पल्लू. दिस इज अ टिपिकल बोरो प्लस डिमासा फ्यूजन, Dimasa tribal fusion weave, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful red. Tomato soup and tomato ketchup. This red is a mix of tomato soup and tomato ketchup. Little bit of both. Hey, Ashwin says yes. Okay, so this is the look of the साड़ी. This is feather light, specially processed yarn से बनाया गया है. feather light है, बहुत comfortable है. This is the साड़ी. This is the look of the साड़ी. A lot of these sarees have been doing rounds through our resellers, or we do sell for wholesale. Our wholesale rate, retail rate, everything is same. So it becomes very difficult for us to click pictures. So we have stopped doing that. And the pictures become very viral. They're all over the internet. That is why also we have stopped. But this is a beauty to have. तसर सिल्क यार्न से बनाया गया. जो तसर सिल्क साड़ीज होता है, सेम यार्न से इसका काम किया गया है. ये देखिए, this is not thread. It's got a shine to it. Can you see? It's a तसर सिल्क थ्रेड एंड दिस इज एरी सिल्क का काम. कहाँ गया? दिस इज एरी सिल्क का मीनाकरी वाला काम. ओके, दिस इज अ वोवन बॉर्डर, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. बॉडी में इसके मोटिव्स हैं ऐसे. Yes, very beautiful red. It is Nivedita ma'am, no doubt. Nivedita ma'am, this is a very very beautiful red, and this has a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece में भी हमने काम किया हुआ है तसर एंड एरी का. बोलते बोलते ब्लाउज पीस का ब्लाउ पीस हो गया. So this is the blouse piece, and this is the exact red color. It's a beautiful red, and this is priced at 20,500 rupees. 20500. जो आप 2 इंस्टॉलमेंट में बुक कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ. You can book it in 2 installments. For 2 installments. Now you can, on booking 1 installment you can pay, and second installment you can pay within 1 month. So आज कितना डेट हो गया? 13th हो गया आज. नेक्स्ट 13 के आगे आपको पेमेंट क्लियर कर देना है. पेमेंट क्लियर एक बार हो जाएगा तो यू कैन, द साड़ी विल बी डिस्पैच टू यू विथ फॉल एंड पिको. बॉर्डर्स इसमें नहीं करने हैं, टेसल्स इसमें ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं. ओके, एंड आपको सिर्फ अपना ब्लाउज पीस जो अलग से भेजा जाएगा, अनस्टिच्ड ब्लाउज पीस, उसको सिलवा लेना है. दैट्स ऑल यू हैव टू डू फ्रॉम योर एंड. दिस इज अनदर डिजाइन. दिस इज द बॉर्डर, वोवन बॉर्डर. देख सकते हैं ये एरी सिल्क का काम है, अहिंसा सिल्क का, और ये तसर सिल्क का काम है. ऑन दिस लवली लवली लाइटेस्ट ऑफ लाइट मलबरी सिल्क मटेरियल. दिस इज ऑल्सो कम विद सिल्क मग. इसमें डायमंड या बर्फी डिजाइन है. पूरे बॉडी में तसर एंड एरी सिल्क के मोटिव्स बनाया गया है. And this is the pallu. This is the entire pallu. Okay, this is the pallu. Very 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 beautiful. This is, it's a lovely wine color. बहुत सुंदर कलर है. And this is the look of the sari when you drape it. It looks extremely royal. बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर है. And उससे भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि सुपर डुपर कंफर्टेबल है. दाम सिर्फ मलबरी सिल्क का ही नहीं या कारीगरी का ही नहीं है, दाम तसर सिल्क का भी है, एरी सिल्क का भी है. वैसा वैसा काम है, जैसा काम है, जैसा मटेरियल यूज होगा, जैसे यार्न डिजाइन मोटिव्स के लिए यार्न यूज होगा, उसी से प्राइस. इट्स नॉट ओनली वीविंग कॉस्ट. एंड जटिल काम होने से, जटिल मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेटेड काम होने से या कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिजाइन होने से ऑफ कोर्स दाम बढ़ेगा ही. द रेड वन इज तो डूइंग राउंड्स, अ लॉट ऑफ राउंड्स इन सोशल मीडिया दीज डेज, एंड एवरीबडी वांट्स इट. बट अदर ब्रांड्स आर प्रॉब्ली सेलिंग नॉट एट 2500, इट्स मोर देन दैट. 2500 ना, 20,500 rupees. And this is your blouse piece. ठीक है, 20,500. quickly send us your bookings on 7595959055. Okay, last शो स्टॉपर. दिस वाज द स्टेटस में जो साड़ी थी, ये साड़ी हम लोग बहुत दिनों के बाद बनाया है. मैं पहले ही डिस्क्लेमर दे देती हूं. लेट मी गिव यू द डिस्क्लेमर फर्स्ट दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ हेवी साड़ी. व्हाई अ हेवी साड़ी? आई विल शो यू. This is very densely woven. The border itself has so much of work in it. The pallu is extensive. The pallu is intricately woven. The body itself has so many densely woven one-horn rhinos in different colors on a white base. So this is a heavy sari in terms of weight and in terms of weaving and also in terms of pricing. पहले ही बता दे रही हूँ आप सबको. So this is the Beautiful Kaziranga exclusive Mulberry by Mulberry silk in its original color. Base color जो white है, Mulberry by Mulberry silk का original color ये है. इसमें कोई dyed thread यूज नहीं है. और इसका जो पल्लू है ना, वो पल्लू बहुत ही सुंदर है. With the deer motifs in this lovely fawn color, with the bird motifs, with the deer motifs, with the one-horned rhinos in their original color. Birds भी एकदम कैनरी येलो में है, बहुत सुंदर है. वाओ, मैंने कैनरी येलो बोला. वेरी नाइस, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. विद द फ्लावर्स ऑल्सो. मेरे को तो नाम ही नहीं आता, लेकिन कैनरी येलो सडनली कैसे आ गया मुंह में पता नहीं. तो दिस इज द बॉर्डर. बॉर्डर का काम ही ऐसा है. फिर ये रहा पल्लू का, दो लाइन का डबल पल्लू स्टाइल में. एक पल्लू के बीच में ये रहा एक पैटर्न ऑफ वीविंग, बीच में एक्स्ट्रा वेव टेक्निक वाला सेकेंड पैटर्न ऑफ वीविंग. ओके, एंड फिर ये पैटर्न ऑफ वीविंग विद द बर्ड्स, द deer and the one-horned rhino motifs. One-horned rhino is our state animal, as you all know. It's the state animal of Assam, and it's kind of our identity. लोगों को और कुछ मालूम नहीं होने से भी, पहले तो ऐसा था, lot of discrimination was there, बट अभी लोगों को बहुत कुछ मालूम है असम के बारे में. पहले लोगों को इतना ही मालूम था कि काजीरंगा पार्क है, उसमें वन हॉर्न राइनो है. सो इट बिकेम आवर आइडेंटिटी ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. Now it is of course changing. A lot of people know about Assam and they come to Assam. So this is the motif all over the body, densely woven in 4 colors: red, black, brown and green. ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसा ही woven है. A lot of you have this sari from us, and this is going to be in terms of weight a heavy sari. मैं बार बार बोली, पहले भी बोली, इसके पहले 1 मिनट पहले, अभी भी बोल रही हूँ. इन केस you can carry, so my mother likes this sari a lot because she thinks it sits right on her. Okay, and I also like these saris. This is, hello ma'am, how are you? So this is the sari, Mulberry by Mulberry silk. This is the blouse piece in part by part. Again, this is the blouse piece with one line of the beautiful border of deer, rhinos and birds and the flora. This is the absolute Kaziranga sari. This was a part of my status message for the live notification to all of you today. And this is the showstopper sari of all the part silk sarees that I have shown. This is an exclusive. I made it after almost, I think, a year. I don't know, Ishita Di, you should tell me. I don't know. And this sari is priced at 20,500 rupees. 20,500. Okay, although it is a thread work, it is extensive thread work and a lot of color coordination, and only this sari is made once in probably 6 months. The weaver hates to make these sarees because there is so much of work involved. जो नॉर्मल साड़ीज होते हैं उनको वही पसंद है क्योंकि काम कम है, लेकिन हम लोग को तो बनाना पड़ेगा, तो वो लोग को भी बनाना पड़ेगा. हम लोग को डिमांड आता है, हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत दिन से ये साड़ी नहीं बनाया, तो वो साड़ी बना देते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस वॉज द लास्ट साड़ी ऑफ द डे. Here it comes to an end. Reddy ma'am, sorry. You can watch the recorded live. I have shown beautiful sarees in Mulberry by Mulberry. Today was the Mulberry silk saree edit. So today we showed only Mulberry silk products, not anything else. So thank you so much for your time today. बहुत बहुत आभार, romba nandri, and onek dhanyabad. Thank you so much for your time. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, spread the happiness around, stay happy. It will come back tenfolds to you. Thank you so much. Chitrabali Di, I can see you. Ishita Di, I can see you. Amruta, I can see you. And I cannot see the rest of the people. I don't know. Manjuri Di, Nivedita ma'am, thank you so much. Reddy ma'am, thank you. And whoever watched this live, even for 5 minutes today, I am thankful to each one of you. Thank you for your time, for your support, for your love, and for your unending, blessings. Thank you so much. Here's Gayatri Pooja waving off goodbye for tonight. Good night, Shubhratri, Namaskar.